What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be exploring. There's no mirror. I would do it in a mirror, I promise. We're gonna be exploring bird winners, winning birds. Can I escape the map? Yeah, so I normally don't do this kind of thing, 'cause it's cringe. No, I can't escape the map! No! I normally don't do this, but if you could,
this short tutorial will go through the basics.
Shut
of
the
game.
If you would like and subscribe, then I would not murder your entire family. I'm just joking, of course. I'm a nice, wholesome family channel. I get more
This
views
game has
that
flap
way.
Mechanics. You can hold down the A button to flap your hands.
Oh. I'm a gamer.
This game has flap mechanics. You can
I
hold down the
know
A button
that
to flap your hands.
Look at that bird. Look at this. No seeds? Question mark? No, I'm broke, idiot. Okay, moving on.
This concludes the tutorial. If you'd like to hop into the
You are
main
not
game,
the
please press the button on the table over there.
Thank you. Do not be. You shall. Do not. Don't be. That's a bad word. Wait. Is that word allowed on... I'm not... Who am I kidding? I'm not making money from this anyway. Wait, is there a rule about swearing? Cheat. Threaten. Oh, that's a good rule. No. Okay, wait. I'm a fellow bird. I can burb. Oh, there's a mirror. Sorry about that. Where's my hat? I can't click on anything. What the hell? There's a glitch. Do I need to restart the game? Jerry the worm. I need to restart the game. Back to start. Yes, here's my hands. Now look at this man! Look at this man! Look at this guy! He's the god! I'm insane. I'm insane. I don't have any feet. No. I will not continue the video until I score the... Wait, hold on. This is actually going to be amazing. Don't do what? I know. Wait, what? No, man. No, man. What? No. No, man. Me, no. Okay. Alright, let's get into the main. Get me into main. Where's my hat? Color. It'll be green. Name. Okay. Guess I'll connect to server 5 because I don't want anybody here. What's out here? Dude, why are my hands invisible? Oh my god. Okay. You know what? I'll restart the game and then we'll see. Just a short intermission. Yeah, short intermission. Short intermission, yeah. I have many crimes to commit. Wouldn't it be funny if I didn't take the voice mic on? That would be super funny. That would be so funny. That would actually be the funny... Oh my god! Nah, man, we dealing with it. You know, I'm a dealer. I deal with deals. Yay! Oh, damn, everything bouncy. Okay. Alright. I fuck with it. Oh, wait, I didn't say I fudge with it. Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do. I fudge. Parkour. Boys, I'ma prove my... Dude, even with my hands invisible. Oh crap. I was too busy. Oh, can't see me. Literally, can't see me. Oh, literally. Oh, can't see me. Oh. Wait, why am I doing this? Dude, imagine doing parkour. Reject humanity. You know, monkeys can do this as well. Although they need to start off in height, and they can only go down. And if it's from a tall enough height, they can only do it once. Yeah, I know. Monkeys are crazy. What was this, Flappy Bird? Yeah. Why does Flappy Bird have a what the fuck? Hate this game. Joey the Worm. Alright, Flappy Bird is sucky, and the game is bad, and what's in the unspoken room? I'm scared of this now. What the fuck? Hey, the man! How's it going? What the okay. Damn, okay. Propeller hat! Or why can't I? Fine. Weapons. I'm a fucking vampire. They need to fix this bug. Seeds loading. Oh, look at me. Ooh. This has just become... am I even making jokes? Am I entertaining? POV, you have a mental crisis in the middle of a YouTube video. Where's my hands? I'm low-key. Beach? Oh, I need to relax, dude. Huh. I need to relax after a long day. Oh, yeah. Going to the beach. Hey, this is actually fun looking. Ooh. Bouncy. Slides. Oh, no. What child is climbing this? I'm a fucking bird using my hands. Imagine trying to walk up that. That's a slide in itself. Yeet. Wee, dude. So while I'm here, how about Christmas, innit? No, look at this sound. This, if anybody's still here, I commend you. Comment cookie if you're still here. I don't like that. What the hell is that? It's literally just a... What you doing there, though, man? What are you doing? Is the top slidey? Ooh. I haven't... Oh, wait, I have, yeah. POV, you forget you've gone down slide. Yeah, how's the holidays? Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, you know? merry, day. If you're watching this the day, it came out, and you're American, will live on the top of the world, then you'll probably be wondering why I'm talking about Christmas and Christmas Eve. Fun fact, we're a day ahead of you, idiot! No, we're a day ahead of you, guys, so you know how it is. Yeah. God, I'm such an idiot. Oh God, I almost hit the desk. Oh wait, this is the third one, and you're supposed to be the chosen one. You're supposed to be entertaining. Now what am I supposed to do? What other games do I have? Monkey Mischief? I want to play Monkey Mischief. I'm deleting Bird Runners. Okay, moving on to Monkey Mischief. I will record this as long as I don't get bored. But if you're watching this, right, and you don't want to finish it, do me a favor, just put it on mute, leave it in the background. I spelled mischief wrong. Who's expected to spell mischief in this day and age? Is that why? No, I hate everything. Let me. Oh, whoops. Sorry. I was watching the goat Dante DM. So what's the deal with airline food? Oh yeah, this is a pre-recorded video. Mischief. Oh, I spelled it. Oh, I didn't. Mischief. Okie dokie. Alright. Mischief. Alright, we'll play a bit of this game, and we'll see. Now, if you don't know, I'm slightly sad, slightly adventure horror. Alright, we'll see. Why is it playing? Huh. Why don't we just wait here, Installing. How do you like my homeworld, isn't it? Reasonably cringy, I'd say, but it's nice, you got the I see you. Whoa. You can go down here, and you can see the woodwork of it. Yeah. Oh, stop. Who's a fan of Monkey Mischief? I just drank a very high in caffeine. But now, man, look at that. Okay, this is already better. Welcome to Monkey Mischief. What is the sound? What the fuck? Color changer. Oh my god, I'm lime green. Editor, make me a thing. If you really believed I had an editor, then you need help. I'm sorry. Horror? Hell no! You think I'm going down there alone? Y'all are idiots if you think I'm doing that shit alone. I'm already fearful. Ooh. Oh, damn. Yeah, I ain't doing horror. Listen, if this video gets to 50,000 likes, I'll do it. Okay? God, if I blow up, I'm gonna regret that, aren't I? Melon costs? Okay. One cost? Oh. hell is that? I can't. Moke fuel. Clown. Liking this, I'm liking this. Oh, aren't you a cutie? Aren't you a cutie? I have 300. But what am I? Yeah, but what the am I supposed to? Am I supposed to go down there? Go down there? Thoughts? Well, I guess it is. I do. You know, like gorilla tag. Woo! A lot of traveling, don't you think? Just like going through the snow. What's happening here? Little bit of a cabin in it. You like cabins? You like cabins? Oh yeah, I like cabins. Why am I talking to myself? Because you're insane, Russell. Remember? You should probably take your meds. What is this interior design, man? Somebody needs to get Love It will list it up in here. What is this? No, man. Okay, we got some height. Ooh, shiny, 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 shiny. God, that scared me. Shiny. Ah! Oh, monkey! Dude, what the fuck? What the hell is this? With the power of Qua! I'm insane. Dude, I'm crazy. Oh, I'm crazy. Oh, what she's... Look at how shaking my hands in. Am I the asshole? I murdered 42 children and kidnapped 6 accountants. But I just got broken up with. Am I the asshole? Or the opposite side is I donated $4,000 to 632 charities. And I also literally fed the entire country of Africa for 16 million eons. Am I the asshole? That a volcano? No, that's just a mountain. Dude, mountains are just broke volcanoes. Now, what am I supposed to do? Another K. Now, what am I supposed to do here? I'm trying to entertain myself by talking about Reddit. Like, you know you're down bad for entertainment when you start talking about Reddit. Like, what the fuck? Okay, that's not a hate on Reddit. I need to stop talking. You know what? That's the problem. I should just do one of those silent gameplay channels. Is this slippery? Wait, hold on. That was no difference. Oh! Yep, smells like human. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, this is terrifying. What's this video like actually, man? Like, what is this video? Is this the whole game? It is. Wait, then why did it... Let me open this up again. Cool. Alright, we're going to file search. No? Oh. Okay, no. Alright, so it is single player. You feel me? I'm no longer fearful. Alright, nothing. That's the whole game. Because if it's just some horror and some cosmetics, then I'm not sure if this is a good... I'm not sure if this is a great use of your time. It's a fun place to hang around with your friends, I reckon. But, you know, if you're looking for a fun experience, don't go here, I think. My opinion. You know, you don't have to listen to me. Actually, in fact, don't listen to me. Anyway, bye-bye!